Hey guys, it's Esteban here with All American Print Supply. Today we have some very exciting news as we have finally got our hands on the brand new Epson SureColor F170 sublimation printer. This is a groundbreaking piece of technology here in a convenient desktop size, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Let's start setting this thing up. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove this installation poster and user manual guide. Then we're going to remove this smaller box which has our power cord and our ink bottles. Now we're going to safely and securely remove the printer from the packaging. Now we can get this box out of our way. Next, we're going to remove the ink bottles and the power cord from this smaller box and set these aside. Now we're going to remove this blue tape. There's a folded side for convenient and easy removal. We're just going to go ahead and take all these off here. Now we're going to open the printer top cover, and we're going to carefully remove the tape holding the printhead carriage in place, as well as this protective film here on the LCD screen. Next, we're going to go ahead and install this ink. To do this, we're going to go ahead and open the ink tank cover. We're going to start with yellow. Now these ink bottles are keyed so that they will only fit in the correct tank, so you can never misload the wrong color into your printer. We're going to go ahead and open the lid to the yellow tank. Now these are awesome. The ink's not going to come out until the bottle's actually installed. Additionally, the bottle will stop filling once it gets to the loading point. And we're just going to go ahead and continue now once this is done with the cyan, magenta, and the black. After we've successfully installed the yellow, cyan, magenta, and black ink bottles into the printer, we're going to go ahead and seal these back up so that they're ready for our next ink fill. Keep these nice and safe. Then we're going to go ahead and close all these covers. And now we're going to connect the included power supply cable to the rear of the machine. We're going to power on the printer by holding the power button for just a couple seconds. Now it's time to set our language. Using the directional arrows on the machine, we're going to go ahead and select the one we prefer and confirm with OK. And after that, it's time to begin the ink initialization. To perform this, all we're going to do is press and hold this question mark button for a few moments, and the ink initialization should take about 15 minutes. Now, to operate this printer, we don't need any special RIP software or dongles or anything. This can work if you're designing in Photoshop, your Corel Draw, or if you have photo files saved on your computer. Simply send the job and you're ready to start doing transfers. Now here at All American Print Supply, we're proud to offer a variety of different awesome sublimation transfer papers, such as this new choice here from EcoFree, TextPrint R and XPHR from Beaver Paper, as well as the proprietary Epson Sublimation transfer paper. This is going to be available in a variety of sizes and rolls. Make sure you guys stay tuned. We're going to be having an awesome upcoming webinar on the Epson Sublimation transfer process, and make sure you guys check out the YouTube channel. It's going to be AA Print Supply Co. on YouTube.com. For any more information or questions on any of the products or processes we've gone over today, be sure to visit us at AAPrintSupplyCo.com. My name is Esteban. Thank you guys so much for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.